Mommy, I did
What face is that?
grumpy
You're grumpy? Oh, why you're grumpy, Josh?
because you said poo poo to me.
I know, Mommy doesn't say that. Can you make a sad face? Can you make a happy face? Can you make a grumpy face? Can you make an angry face? What do you want to say to your sister?
Don't want to say silly to my sister. If you say silly to my sister, she will cry.
Yeah, so what will you say?
I will say good things.
Like what?
Like, I say good things with him.
Either Mommy is taking a video, then we can send it to your sister. Good things like what? You will say, will you say I love you?
I love you! Now do it in the video.
Huh?
I want to